So here's how you can make a drop-down menu in Figma the best way. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. Head on to the search box and write www.figma.com. Now click on the first link, www.figma.com. Here is the top right corner on Login. If you have created an account, then log in. Otherwise, create an account, enter your email and password here to click on Login. Then your Figma page will open. After that, you have to click on the design file on the upper right side. Then your Figma blank page will open where you can design as you wish. After that, we will learn how to design a drop-down menu. So let me teach you how to design it. First of all I have to do is click on the text option on the upper left side. Then we have to write a text. I write the size on it. After that, click on the pen option on the upper left side. Then we create a vector that is exactly like an arrow. Then rotate it 180 degrees. After that, select them both and press Shift plus A. Then this will become your one frame. After that, click on frame 1. Now click on the stroke on the bottom right side, then adjust it as you wish. After that, we have to select it and copy it and paste it. Then such a duplicate frame will be created. After that, in frame 2, we will select the arrow and press delete. By clicking on the size, they will name him small. Then two such will create duplicate frames. After that, we will name frame 3 medium and place it below frame 2. Then, we will name frame 4 large and place it below frame 3. Now we will select 3 frames and press right-click and click on the number Add Auto Layout option to create a new frame. After that, we will select 3 frames again and remove their stroke line. Then click on frame 5 and add the stroke. After that, we will make it curved from all corners. Then we will select all the frames and click on the upper side, Create Component option. After that, a component will be created. We will name this component the selector. Then we will select the component and open the Properties option on the left side and click on the variant. And 4 such variants will be created. After that, we will hide frame 5 by clicking on the I button. Then the arrows of all the frames below will be rotated back. First, by clicking on the 3rd frame, by selecting small, we will go click on the Fill option, change its color, and reduce its percentage. After that, we will do the same with 4th frame Me Medium. Then we will do the same with 5th frame Me Large. After that, we will click on the Prototype option on the upper right side. Then we'll link the 1st frame select to another frame select and click on the Smart Animate option. After that, we'll link small the 2nd frame to the 3rd frame and click on the while hovering. Then we will do exactly the same with the medium in the 3rd frame. And then we'll do the same in the 4th frame. After that, we will connect the select of the 2nd frame to the 1st frame. Then we will create a red triangular shape. We will name this frame test and change its color to white, and then click on the Assets option at the top and drag this local component to the red triangular frame and we'll preview it. After that, our drop-down menu will be created.